guys, how are you? It's Cam and
Brenny.
We drive this and we are at the Langhorne Stone Quarry.
Yes. I love stuff.
Such a short time being alive. All this hardship and convenience makes it so hard to make sense. I want this and now. I want this and now. And I know it's just a matter of time before we tumble across the borderline.
What are we doing here?
We are getting stones to complete the pond.
Yeah.
Because there's a mismatch of different stones.
A mismatch?
Yeah.
Mismatch?
One side is slate and I think it looks good.
Yeah.
So we want to finish it off and then that way I can take the existing rocks that my father
Hold on, I gotta.
use them for my other rockery.
So this place is super cool. Well, I'll show you on the way out. But they've got all sorts of different types of rocks. And you can either get them by the pallet. How did I get up here? I don't know. I got up here holding this, but now I'm stuck. You can get them by the pallet, or they've got a scale. You drive your truck onto the scale, you get the green light, it tells you how much you weigh empty. You go back after you've filled, go up and pay for it by the weight. So it works pretty cool. I knew a pallet wouldn't fit in this. What was the guy's reaction when we asked him?
He laughed.
He totally laughed. I was like, can this truck take a whole pallet? And he just cracked up. So I guess I should stop filming and go help Brenny. But
It's 90 some degrees today.
it's already what, probably 85 maybe?
Yeah, and it's
11
only-
a.m.
only
And
nine,
it's,
yeah.
yeah. All right.
All right, so as you can see, we are filled up in the truck and beads of sweat. Yes.
Yes.
Total beads of sweat dripping down our
Hot
faces.
coffee, though. I still have to have my coffee.
Well.
This is the morning.
We're gonna take you on a little tour of this really cool place that I can only imagine my father's delight driving through here with his rock infatuation. There we go. So a lot of kids used to like try to sneak in here with their quads. And a little fun fact that behind here is the actual quarry. And as teenagers up to hijinks, we would come sneak in and jump off the quarry into the water. Very dangerous. Do not recommend. Some of these stones are magnificent as well. These are all local for the most part.
There's a reason Pennsylvania's called Peace Stones.
Mica is like so up here we've got these big suckers and then we've got all the stones here. So this is the red you were referring to, which I think is too small right now. An alternative would be like these goose eggs, but again they hurt your feet. You can get smaller ones. We did use the pea stones prior to this, the pea gravel. That's the mini eggs.
Do you like those? Or do you like the white?
I like the white better.
Okay.
I feel like the white's like more clean. So we're thinking of getting the marble chipped 1 1/4 inch stones to fill in around the areas that don't grow anything. And they also have mulch here, and I think that's our tour.
So we're headed to the scale now. Let's show the folks how that works. So we pulled into this scale initially empty. You drive up. There's a light. It's just like when you go to the dump, if you've ever been to the dump. Straight
Here's
ahead.
the mica. Right here. This is the mica that I love. It's so sparkly.
So you drive onto the scale empty, light's red, turns green, there's a display. We weighed 3,500 pounds even. That's the Tacoma with Brenny and us.
Such a short
Now we're gonna drive up
time
again over 42. So we have 780 pounds of stone. That light's gonna turn green as they register the weight. It's green, so we're now going to drive back up to the office and pay for our stuff, our 700
I don't know, but that really means that I've been lifting a lot of tons.
That's just like 10 bags of concrete. That's crazy. Yeah, you've been lifting a lot of tons.
There's the masonry sand, the concrete sand.
These boulders.